Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about an AI tool which will definitely help you in future if your domain is content creation. If you are doing professional jobs or doing freelancing work, or you want to generate essay, paragraphs or an article for your school work. If you are tired of struggling with content ideas or spending hours writing, let me introduce you to writer.ai, your new content creation buddy. Whether you are a student, marketer or a business owner, this tool can make your writing process easier and faster. So let's dive into how. Have you ever run out of the ideas? With writer.ai, writer's block is a thing of the past. It can brainstorm fresh, creative ideas for blogs, social media posts, email campaigns, and even more in just few seconds. Whether you need a list of trending blog topics or catchy captions for Instagram, writer.ai sparks new ideas every time. No more sitting around and waiting for inspiration. It's right there when you need it. Now, we all know that content creation can be time consuming, right? But with writer.ai, that's no longer an issue. It helps you generate high quality content in record time. Need to write a blog post? Just provide a few keywords or a brief idea, and boom, writer.ai creates the first draft for you. Whether it's a long form articles, newsletters or product description, this tool saves you hours of work. We all want our writing to be perfect, but we are not always in the mood to double check grammar or fix clunky sentences. That's where writer.ai really shines. It doesn't just generate content, but it refines it. Whether you need to check grammar, tweak sentences structure, or adjust the tone to fit your audience, writer.ai makes sure your content reads smoothly and professionally. Creating great content is only half the battle. Making sure people find it just as important. With writer.ai, you can create SEO-friendly content that ranks on Google. It suggests the best keywords, improve readability, and optimize your structure for search engines. So whether you are writing a blog or crafting website copy, your content is designed to perform well online. One of the coolest things about writer.ai is its flexibility. No matter what type of content you need, whether it's email, landing page copy, social media posts, or even product descriptions, writer.ai adapts to your specific needs. It's like having a virtual assistant who knows exactly what tone and structure to use for every situation. Creating content is often a team effort, and writer.ai makes collaboration a breeze. It allows you to generate drafts that can be shared, reviewed, and edited by your team. Everyone stays on the same page, projects move faster because writer.ai does the heavy lifting so your team can focus on creativity and strategy. Here's the thing, high quality content creation is expensive and takes time. But with writer.ai, you can get professional grade content without blowing your budget. Whether you are a student on a deadline, a small business owner, or a marketing professional, this tool helps you save time and resources so you can focus on what really matters. With writer.ai, content creation isn't stressful anymore. It's exciting. From brainstorming ideas to crafting polished content and optimizing for SEO, this tool does it all. So if you want to take your content creation game to the next level, give writer.ai a try. It's fast, flexible, and incredibly easy to use. If you want to learn more about AI detectors and how to bypass them, the link is given in description. Enroll now. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let's create amazing content together. See you next time.